Hello, my name is Dilruba. I'm a student in Galaxy International School and welcome to my house. I was scared of going to school, but it turned out to be great because a lot of people I knew in the school before I went to the school, so they made me feel at home, and that I've been here ever since.
From which grade were you studying here?
From zero.
From zero?
Yeah. My favorite subject is maybe English or biology. I participated to in-city English Olympiad. I got first place the first time I participated, and the year after I participated again and got third place, but this year I didn't participate anything.
Benim adım Asuman, Dilruba'nın annesiyim. Galaxy'de İngilizce eğitim olduğu için tercih ettik. Eğitimi çok güzel, öğretmenleri çok ilgili ve çok eğitim kaliteli. Geleceğinden çok ümitliyiz kızımızın. Sınıf içi aktiviteler çok güzel, arkadaşlıklar çok güzel öğrencilerin sınıf içindeki ve sosyal yardımlar yapıyorlar çocuklar, o çok güzel. Biz veliler görüşüyoruz birbirimizle, öyle.
I usually either watch stuff or just draw or maybe study. I started digital art around a year and a half, and I've been doing it since then. Before that, I used to do traditional art on paper and with pencils. But after some time I found out about digital art and thought it was a lot of fun. So I bought myself a tablet and I downloaded the art program, and I've been doing it. I posted to my Instagram, and around this time last year I opened the YouTube channel. I also post my artwork there. Yeah, it's a lot of fun. Drawing is actually really relaxing to me. It's kind of a therapy. It's sometimes frustrating when I can't get inspiration to draw, but it's usually fun, and that's why I do it. I tried making traditional art a few weeks back, and I've been so used to digital art, it's now hard to draw on normal paper. It's easier on the tablet because you can go back and see how you drew and erase your line art or other things while you cannot do them on normal paper.
You like more digital?
Yeah.
Bunlar bizim Türk yemeklerimiz. Mantı, içli mantı ve baklava. Bunlar sadece 2 tanesi. Çok fazla çeşidi var. Türk yemeklerinin çok fazla çeşidi var. Ben size sadece mantıyı ve baklavayı tanıtmak istedim. Kebaplar, tatlılar, tencere yemekleri ve hamur işleri, çok fazla sayıda yemeklerimiz var. Bu da bizim Türk çayımız, çaydanlığımız.
My advice is to be prepared for all kinds of people because there are a lot of people from other countries, so which we usually speak only in English. So have good English, I guess. Special part of Galaxy is like we're a family, I guess, because most of the students that came to the school really enjoyed, from what I've heard and what I saw from my friends. And I think that there's a special bond between the students. Even if they leave the school, we still have connections, we still talk to them, so like never-ending friendships, I guess. Most of the teachers are more than teachers, but they're friends to us. They don't act like education is a strict thing. They teach us in fun ways.